Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain you how to use LinkedIn Apply Bot with Google Chrome browser. First you need to download zip archive. Extract the archive to convenient folder. And go to extensions. Enable develop mode and click load unpacked. Select the folder where you extracted the archive, and here it is. Now click Details and pin extension to toolbar. The extension is installed, so let's launch it. Accept the terms and enter your personal details and resume that will be used to generate answers for job applications. So your resume should be as complete as possible, including your work permit. By the way, the extension uses your latest uploaded resume to the LinkedIn when submit applications. Also, you can enable serve preferences if you need it. Click Start Applying. Now extension is ready to work. You need to only enter keywords and location. For example, test engineer. The first apply is ready, so let's check it in LinkedIn. And here it is. Also, extension displays all the applied jobs and answers to questions in History tab. Your first trial is 10 applies. Next, you'll need a subscription for $20 per month. I hope this video helped you. Goodbye.